What's up, everybody? Welcome to another exciting episode of Geek Reviews. Today we got the OFKP foldable keyboard. This is a Bluetooth 3.0 keyboard. Comes in a nice retail box. Has 85 hours of uninterrupted work, 220 days of standby. It's 184 grams, so that's just about as light as my Galaxy S6 Edge phone. So in the box, you see you have a micro USB charging cable. You have the Bluetooth keyboard itself, and then you have an English instruction manual. You can see this is the model HB066. So before I open it up, you can see it's actually very strong, very sturdy. Has a micro USB charging port there. I have it all charged up and ready to go. So as you see, I open it up right there. Opens up very fast, and right away it's already paired with my computer because I've already paired it. Let's see how the size compares to my MacBook keyboard. So it's about 10 inches by 3.5, and folded up it goes down to about 6 inches by 4 inches by just about half an inch. So let's bring over my MacBook computer over here. Place this right on top and see how that compares. So you can see it's just a little bit smaller than my MacBook keyboard, but I'm actually surprised how big it actually is and how small it can actually go. So as I said before, this is really easy to pair. You just hold FN, you click this Bluetooth button here, you'll see a flashing blue light, then you find the wireless keyboard. So what I like about this keyboard is that it has full functionalities with my MacBook, so I can hit FN and play and I'll start my music on Spotify. I can scroll through my songs by hitting scroll front and back. I can turn up and down my volume. It works great with my computer. So all in all, this is a very tough, very durable, has its own battery, it's easy to charge, it's easy to pair. I love the mechanism for it. It pairs very fast, it has full functionality with my computer. My only pet peeves is I would like to see it have non-skid protection right here so that it doesn't slide around on the table. Not that it does a lot, but that would be a little bonus. Also, I noticed a little bit of a wobble here and there, and takes a little bit of practice to get used to the smaller keyboard. And it would be nice to have a little carrying pouch with it. That being said, I love this little keyboard and I recommend it. Thanks for watching.